How to improve your English with Chatgpt. Discover how Chatgpt can revolutionize your English language learning journey. Explore various ways to improve your English fluency through engaging conversations, writing practice, vocabulary expansion, grammar assistance, reading comprehension, and pronunciation practice. Engage in conversations. Use Chatgpt to engage in English conversations and practice your speaking and listening skills. Chatgpt can provide responses and simulate real-life conversations. Writing practice. Utilize Chatgpt to improve your writing skills. Write essays, articles, or paragraphs and receive feedback from Chatgpt to enhance your grammar, vocabulary, and overall writing proficiency. Vocabulary expansion. Ask Chatgpt for synonyms, antonyms, or definitions of words to enhance your vocabulary. Use the provided suggestions to learn new words and incorporate them into your daily English usage. Grammar assistance. Chatgpt can help you with grammar queries and provide suggestions for sentence structure, verb tenses, and proper word usage. Use this guidance to refine your grammar skills. Reading comprehension. Share passages, articles, or texts with Chatgpt to practice reading comprehension. Ask questions related to the material and receive responses to enhance your understanding. Pronunciation practice. Utilize Chatgpt for pronunciation practice. Ask Chatgpt to pronounce words or sentences correctly and mimic the pronunciation to improve your spoken English. Cultural knowledge. Engage in conversations with Chatgpt to learn about English-speaking countries' cultures, traditions, and idiomatic expressions. This exposure will help you understand and communicate more effectively. Regular interaction. Consistently engage with Chatgpt to practice English. The more you interact, the better you will become at understanding and using the language. Error correction. Ask Chatgpt to identify and correct any errors in your spoken or written English. Pay attention to the provided corrections and learn from them to avoid making the same mistakes in the future. Practice, practice, practice. Use Chatgpt as a valuable tool to practice English regularly. The more you practice, the more you will improve your language skills over time. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like and subscribe.